In this video, Dad and I are going to show you how to build a double-decker cabinet system with a secret storage area.
It's got to be longer than 85 inches.
Let's see if it's the first one I try. It's clean.
Okay, right now I'm going to do a layout of the shelves that are going to be in this like little pantry. I cut all these 4 long boards. They're 83 inches long, and I'm going to clamp them together, and I'm going to measure out where my shelves are going to go. I think on my plans I got 17 inches, and then the top one is only going to be 15 inches about. And so, saving time, I'm going to lay out one board, and then I'm going to transfer the lines across, and all my boards will be ready to be matched. And then we're going to figure out the boards that are going to go across, how long it's going to be.
Okay, so this is our framework. Now we're going to cut our platform out for each individual shelf. They're going to take a little while only because we have to notch out the corner pieces to fit around these joists. So we're going to go and rip some paneling on the table saw, and then we'll go to the bend the saw and chop off the corners.
We bought some 1/4 inch, 3.5 inch wide, tongue and groove pine. Yeah, we didn't feel like making our own because it's really hard to make.
Yeah, the rest of our kitchen is covered in this stuff, so we're trying to get it to match.
Okay, we're ready to start making our doors for our cabinet. We're going to make one door that's going to be about 51 inches long, and then another door that's going to be about 31 inches long. So we're going to go rip some more 1.5 inch stock. We're also going to be putting a dado inside to take these tongue and groove panels like that to make the front of our doors. We're also going to be routering the edge of our doors with a 1/4 round roundover bit. So let's go do it. You making faces?
arriba las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio. Te enseño a roll hacer un rock frente. Let's again, esto pa' la gente. Chanclazo, beat, like regadazo. Still got the coke and rum and flex the vaso. Then I hit you from a different angle. Makes me cheap shot, virtue straight cut. Soy el buen pistolero, guerrero de Rio. Matter of fact, I got like 10,000 gas in the crowd on a very good night. But you can do a fraction of that. You get the ready like that. Mónica en el aire, todos quieren baile. Plus my sick, let's baile, baile. Trouble as they come. People feel the drum, don't know the word, but you can drum.
Okay, so typically we stain our project in something like natural or Ipswich pine, but since we're trying to make it as clear as possible, we're going to be doing it in this clear deck stain. It's a little bit of overkill, but it's all we got. Alright, so originally guys, this was just going to be our main cabinet area. But for our secret compartment, what we're going to do, we're going to have to do that anyways, we're going to add a small section over here on this side of the cabinet because there's going to be a space where the fridge is going to cut into the cabinet and we have a shelf over the top that it's going to need to cover. So we're going to have to put that there, but thankfully Dad has been saved by, I don't know, what would you call it?
A big screw up
Yeah.
that I made, but our cabinet is this long. It should have been made this long. I could tell you 101 reasons why I made the mistake, but I just screwed up. We're just gonna make a panel that looks like this and match this, and one side will come off later.
Yeah. And for the other corner side, what we're going to use to unlock it is one of these push to open drawer locks. It's got a magnet on the end like that. And so to open it, it'll be locked when it's in the closed position like that. Then when you want to open it, you just push on the door. It'll pop open. Pretty nifty. I hope y'all don't get bored of us making frameworks.
¿Qué ondas, muchacho? Arriba las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio. Te enseño a roll hacer un rock back frente. Let's again, esto pa' la gente. Chanclazo, beat, like regadazo. Still got the coke and rum and flex the vaso. Angle, makes me cheap shot, virtue straight cut. Soy el buen.
Okay, change of plans once again. We're not going to make this side one a secret compartment. Because as you can see, there's barely enough room for a hand to get through there. So this is just going to be kind of for decorative to make it look nice. And we're going to actually take the push lock and make it over on the other secret compartment that's going on top. That was technically the mistake. The door will pop open to the right, and we'll show you how we do that with the little push to open locks. Okay, let's get this thing out of here. Press on it.